What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Request from Patreon from Dave Griffith in that black sort of bird armor that he gets, which is creepy and kind of Halloween-y. So perfect timing, Dave. October, Halloween picture. I'm on a landscape page. Use a pencil and eraser. Hit pause if I go too fast. All the usual stuff. Right, we're going to start with his big eye that's kind of looking at us from up underneath that helmet. So center point to my page about there, we'll come up or to the left. So let's just go for it here. Curving up this way. Okay. And then this line will come back down around for his sort of iris or eye area down to the tear duct there. And then we have his actual eye inside going around there. His iris then just a half circle underneath, and this sort of skinny slit of an eye just kind of there. So there's some patterns and shapes sort of coming around this thing then. So like has an extra sort of cheekbone area coming down to a point, and then seems to go back up and around the top up to a spike sort of back here. And then we could have a little edge line on it going down that way. And maybe something on this as well. Like so. So the beak then is like at the front, but it's kind of like rounded. It's unusual. It's not. So it's like here. It's kind of spiky, but not very. And then it comes across here. And around the head this way. It's got a bit of an edge line to it. So the front side we can't really see because it's got just the eye sticking out. Like the other sides, we just have this bumping sort of eyebrow. This kind of thing comes down this way. It's because it's a 3/4 sort of pose, right? It just sort of goes down this way. And there seems to be like a line up the middle of the head. That kind of a thing. Right, so in the back of the head comes out that way, very round. Comes around the front. And then there is lots of hatching, but I'll keep it sort of anime style. Right, so the chin part comes out just from the tip of the beak there. And then comes around like the chin this way. And then comes up for the jaw. I think goes in just here. We can see his mouth and face in there, in between the two pieces of armor. Right, so like goes down here, kind of bumps up around there, and then there seems to be a line on the chin, sort of there, and then it goes around us like that. Went over the chin there with that. Okay, so we can just see like his cheek and a bit of his chin there. So it's just pure black in this hole. Right, and then we can see like his mouth, so we can just see like his bottom lip. So give him like a weird creepy smile at first, but then the top lip is like here, like that, and then it just comes down to meet that sort of section there. All right, so then like the back of his neck down that way. And then there's a neck muscle here, flicks out there, comes around the front there. Right, so then we seem to have a strap comes over his neck this way. And this seems to meet like a big collarbone in the center of the chest, right? Which comes up over his shoulder. So the shoulder then comes down this way, and then it meets those crazy wings, right? And then the shoulder on this side comes out this way, goes down there, right? That's your general shape. So then we have to like detail up all the inside of these. So okay, so like center line for his chest is like here, excuse me, and then this will go across the shoulder there, and then it sort of like comes around up. Down the wing. And these things have all edges. And then there's like another. So this then comes around and down. So that's the wing section, right? So that means this is the other wing section there. And then this comes around the shoulder. Line there. Okay, more sort of details inside here and then wings. So we've got like some weird chest muscle things going on here. So it's like bony kind of. Breastplate, chest, sort of stuff here that comes across. And then another part of that there. Circular sort of abs. Coming out there. Okay, and then like what look like oblique muscles, but like lots of these little bumps just here on the side. Well, there seems to be just like shadow in there. Right, and then on the wing, there's all these tubes. Like one there, and then there's like an edge. Like that's a tube. And then I think there's like a tube sticking out there. Another one here. I'd say that's like fabric-y sort of wing section there. And then these have these curved lines on them. And another one on this. Right, and then maybe like some edge. Just lines to these, just a little few. Ridges. Going down like that. Right. Okay. I think that's it. Of course, like in the manga, there's like this elaborate hatching and stuff all over the place. And you can do that if you want. Or color, like I will do. So that's it. Hope it's helpful, Dave. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.